Alright. Got the bike all pushed in. Kenzie's got flowers for his lady friend. So, since I still want to ride this today, we are gonna convert it back and take the bar off. Even though I love the king queen seat, it's gonna go back to stock for now. Although it is pretty solid, I could maybe just ride that one. It's still solid.
My water's fucking boiling hot. I left it on the bike.
What a nerd.
Sick. Sugar water? Sugar water?
Sheesh. Yeah, so that moves too much. I heard something break. Bolts. Oh, I can turn that loose with my fingers. That's nice. Convenient. I tighten it down with pliers.
Talking to all your fans and subscribers?
Yeah, all 10 of them.
You have 10 subscribers?
No. I will one day.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. One day. I'm hopeful. Someone will laugh.
It's funny to actually go from watching all these channels to actually having to stand yourself.
Yeah, it's kind of weird, isn't it? Now that I'm forcing you to do it.
Yeah.
He didn't want to be a camera star.
I never would have spent all that money on that fucking thing.
You gotta make it back somehow. And if not make it back, I gotta have a memory of it. You know? Alright. Get one of these. Get my shit off the toolbox. Hopefully I have the right size. Biggest fucking one. Oh, that's the side that broke. Duh. Don't have to say that too often. She don't fit. Watch out. You're in the way. Lefty Lucy. Shit. Breaks this bolt. Taking it out. I don't know, man. It's all part of the process. Next time, I'm just going for the power tools. This is way longer than I thought it would be. Yep. Broke right off. What a turd. That's okay. We'll go with the clean topper look, you know. This, you gotta see it on the fucking spare parts shelf now. God damn it. Yep. Did get a little drifted. That's cool. Alright. Ecstasy. It's like this process just feels like digging your own grave. Damn it. Changing something you don't want. Back to the way it came. Maybe I should just put that fucking helmet back on. Better yet, get fucking Zach over here to hold this goddamn camera.
Yeah, you should make Zach the camera.
I think I might. Guide us on our way. This one's getting pretty long too. Maybe not. Or is it just a bitch? Well, it did not drop though.
You know, wouldn't have to do this if you didn't know he's breaking shit.
You're right. You're completely right. Oh yeah, I forgot we have the rubber.
Yep, that's old moisture.
Yeah. Get off of this.
Hold on.
Yeah, I gotta untie it. I gotta untie it.
The screen on dark here. Oh, does that?
Yep.
I get it. I thought we broke it.
It's alright. Like a Boy Scout once.
Camera boy.
I wasn't actually, but
When you have an extra second, can you use your other hand to call my phone?
hear that.
Did I make it?
Yeah, fucking. That's so dirty. Did the other seat bolt in? I don't know.
I don't think so. But you gotta untie your back ones here, bud.
Yeah. Alright.
You only got 24% battery left on this thing.
That's why I'm trying to hurry.
Is the other one charging?
Huh?
You got the other one on the charger?
No, because it has to charge through the camera.
Huh.
Call it again. It's like everywhere and nowhere at once.
You fucking kidding me?
This is like the 6th time he's lost his phone this week.
It's like
Lost it, broke it.
Yeah, lost it, broke it. Lost it again.
Broken ass Sportster. See that? There it is. There she is. That's the one. The Street Bob. Some more Travis's junk over here. KTM. John's new acquired junk. Yeah, we're not even going to talk about the junk under there. Got this thing off yet?
Almost.
Zeke boy. That was an animal once. Now it's dead.
Wouldn't you guys agree?
Zeke.
What?
Too hot to wear underwear today.
He doesn't like it.
Too hot to wear on there. I don't know. I got some britches.
Free balling it.
I'm gonna be. I'm gonna take my underwear off.
Or was it just too lazy to do it?
You go ahead and do that somewhere else.
I'm gonna take my underwear off quick, and then I'm gonna go with the tea for my day.
Tighter too good, huh?
Man, when I said I was a Boy Scout, man, did I do it good before? I was like, this ain't gonna come off.
Were you actually a Boy Scout?
No.
Cub Scout?
Not even.
Girl Scout.
You know what's actually funny is one time I went to the summer camp thing.
Hey, we'll skin you live.
And I like joined this arts craft fucking thing, and I was like, oh yeah, it's gonna be cool, you know, make some friends. Ended up being all girls. Really developed my feminine side in that one.
Really makes sense, honestly.
Hey, sometimes you gotta join the all girls class to get the chicks. It happens. Oh yeah, big stretch. Back to gel pad. This was all such a good idea when I put that seat on the first time. It's a really good idea. Now I see the flaws.
Oh yeah, I remember what you gotta do here. Gotta get it in them holes there. Oh yeah, I can't fit my fingers in there.
That just fits in there or what? A little hook? Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta get the lip under there.
There it is. Shit. I should have did this the other way. Okay. Turns out I got skinny enough on it.
Wait, isn't that other seat?
Oh, fuck yeah. I need the...
The solo seat looks pretty good too.
Yeah.
Ain't gonna have no bitches in the back without it though.
Sometimes that's the best way to go. You know? I mean, not that they're all bitches, but
Make them ride in front.
sometimes the one you're talking to.
What you folks ought to get on camera is over there is a small child riding a mini horse.
I watched them wipe out once.
Did you watch them?
Yeah. Yeah, the other horse was trying to bite at the one horse and kick at it while the other one was riding it. Little ponies.
That's a cool childhood experience, man. Yeah, probably.
Where's your dog?
Oh, damn, that's a good question. Go, Roxanne! Right here, Zach. What are you making me freak out for?
I don't know, because I haven't seen Roxy in a while, and I knew Zeke was out there.
You can go out there yelling like you lost my child.
Well, you do sometimes.
You using finger tights good?
Close up on that. It's not really focusing, but it says don't fucking die.
Do I really like this little thing? Or just leave it bare?
I don't know, can your back handle it? It's pretty much what it comes down to.
Probably not. I don't know any way to tie it down. Just gonna slide underneath me. Different.
It is different.